Yo! I said, I need to get one boy some help, bro, cause it sound funny, but it's not funny, bro, cause you see the thing is now, you have some people who are ignorant certain way, bro, and them not gonna look and say, boy, I'm have mental problem. You understand me? I did. And a man not gonna move like that when I them right mind, and he need medical attention, bro. Sorry if you see him move like that, cause I wouldn't like to see no one get hurt like that, bro, but I lie to you. And the thing is, what messed up is you have people ignorant like that and they won't take it up on themselves and want to damage him. They're not gonna look and say he's a sick person, you understand? That's the rough part about it. So I wish them, I just hope them get some help and they move him from out because you have some people now, bro, they made hot. And you can't tell a man how to react when a person do certain things. So that's the next thing, bro. And when we look on that, I say, yo, hey. Then I realize he's a sick person, you see it? That's the real fear, me G. That's why you have to can control yourself. Self-control is everything, bro. It's not about this whole heap of hype and tough up yourself. You have to can control yourself, bro. I think self-control even tougher than badness, because if you control yourself, Virgin, and that's the real badness, self-control. And I think about it, man, I think that's the real badness. Control yourself, G, because you know what you're capable of doing and you know where it all leads to. Control yourself. You win. Control yourself. You win. Believe me. Just by controlling yourself, you win, bro. I tell you that. Just think about it. Tell me, say no, me nothing. Go buy one bottle of liquor and just go and bill. Eh? That was it crazy, bro. No. Traffic, yo, bro. All the man them at the Uber right now, bro. And if you carry somebody go out of the airport, you know, or, you know, in the city, bro, you know, work not easy like how it look there. Traffic. Peer traffic. So with that, you know, you make sure say you get your sliding snacks, you know what I mean? You have your chips, peanuts, your drinks, you know what I mean? And you're good in the traffic, bro. But when you want to take a leak, yo, but I know how much for the apartment over here, so bro. Call the number, they find out. Me go my bed, things in my car, go clean and wake up with bird, them fuck up my car, man. I say all uno. Is it all uno? Eh? So I'll me soon up on the grill, me not really worry, me just ask the extra sauce. Fuck all uno. Want shit up people car. Eh? Yo, big up for the hunt. I can bring fall over here for hunt and a little dirty blood clot and a shit up man car. I know exactly what to do. I send for fall, get a visa for fall right now. One fall. Every pigeon get knocked around here. Blood clot this. You know, corrupt them is me G. Huh? yeah. Yeah, man, let me get something to drink starters. You know, see, I Wednesday on the day. Yeah. Yeah. No. I know, yeah. Yes. Oh, school bus. I mean, I wonder how I go on. Me look up and see this big school bus sign. Me never see the school bus. I mean, they out with start because I say, yo, want them to block up the road to charge it. What the fuck? I overdo it now, bro. People them pick up them kids already. I can't stop that now. Yeah. Yeah, why they not free up the road in the dark? Yo. Yeah, why they not free up the road at all, brother? Yeah, I say the blood.